So I was called to program this Volvo XC90. So what I'll do is, there is the board. I'll read the data and write these two keys to it. So I'll read the SIM data, then write these two keys to it, then program it. So this is the key in it already. So it's an add key process. So I have to add these two keys to the memory of this before I add it to it. So I'll do the setup and start. So this is the leading point. So this is the leading point. So I'll do that and do the setup. So now I'll select Volvo and read the SIM. Then after reading the SIM, I go to the vehicle to do the synchronization of the add keys. So now I'll select XC7 16 to 21 smart key and go to straight to SIM data and use the control unit, then read SIM script data. So what I'll do now is I'll search for the part number on the case and see if that's the same thing. So this is the memory that the system is using. So I'll check for it on the thing itself, then see if it is the same thing. So you read from this memory card, and when I checked, it was CX. So when you read from this card, you can see XC66732. So that means I'll choose this one, XC66772. I'll choose that one. And sorry, it failed because I didn't read. So now let me use the wiring diagram shown here. So I'll search for the pinout and do the connection, then continue the reading. So there is the pinout and there is it, CX66720. So I'll do my soldering, then after that I'll continue the job. Okay, now I'm done with the connection. So what I'll do next is I'll click on OK, and I've checked and every connection is okay. So I'll click on OK and click on it and read. So it's not reading the data. So I'll wait for it to read the data, and as it's reading the data, you can see that the programmer is flashing because it's not reading the data. So I'll wait for it to finish with the data reading, so that when I'm going to add the key, it will be easier for me, because when I'm doing add key, it will require for the add app to require me to read the SIM data, and if I have it already, that means it's going to be done successful. So I'll wait for it to finish reading. So now the data reading is done. So what I'll do is, so you can see the red data is constant. Please press OK to save. I'll save it. So I'll add to it Volvo CX90 2016. FRE. Then I'll save it. So I have to watch where it is being saved. So it is saved in the Volvo file. So I'll save it, and now I'm done reading the data. So when I go to add key, it will require me to bring out the data. Then I'll bring out the data and read it. So now I'll go to auto scan. Let me turn on the ignition. So now the ignition is on. Let me auto run it. So it's requiring me to step on the brake. And The ignition turns on. So now it's reading the system. And with Volvo, without internet, you can't even diagnose it. So this is the smart key. Because I've read the SIM data already, so this one, let me check the number of keys in the system. And this is the knob type. This is the knob type, so 4 keys in the system. So this is where you place the key when it is required. So now let me go to add key. Okay. Click on OK. Then follow the instruction. Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes. So you read the instruction with the corresponding SIM data. And there is it, Volvo XC90 2006. So click on OK. Please place a LAN key into the sensitive part. So you place this LAN key at this side, so you can see the key sign in there. You place it, then you click on OK to follow the next instruction that I will be given. Now check key. Let me check the key again. Place the key. Okay, making the couple and take the key. Other keys up. So let me take the other keys that I'm about to program. These 2 keys out of the car. Continue again. Okay. Key learning field. Okay, let me try again. So it's failing because the key has already been learned. So this key is already learned. So what I'll do now is I'll bring the online key into the vehicle rather. So this is the online key and it doesn't work. So I'll put that one at the cup holder side, then click on OK and go through the procedure again. Add key, turn it once and press OK. Okay, place the key to be learned into the sensitive part. I wasn't following the instruction, so now I've placed the online key into the cup holder. So try and add the key, turn it once and press OK. So with OK it will require put the link in the key holder and take all the rest of the key out. So I've done that. So it's learning and learning successful. This key is learned because this key is brand new. So now the learning is successful. The one that it was failing was because the key wasn't successful. Do you want to, would you like to learn next key? Yes. So let me bring the next key in. And let me bring the next key in. This key is learned successful. So you can hear the lock cycle. Yeah, so let me bring the next. So this key looks a bit used, so this is a used key. So let me try if it will work. So press OK. and okay, and it failed. So it failed because this key is a used key. So I'll see if I can unlock it. Then I'll tell the customer that one of the keys is used. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll use the new key that I've programmed to start the vehicle. And so this is the new one that I programmed and it's working. So what I'll do now is I have to start the vehicle and it's working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll speak to the customer to get me a new key because this key, the other key is used and it's not working. So now let me get down, lock and unlock the vehicle, and the moment you lock it, when you unlock it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.